guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another nail video. So we're going to be working on my right hand. I recently got in two new items. I'm still on this polygel wave. Then I ended up seeing several reviews for this brand called Makartt Polygel, and I decided to purchase the color Clear, and it has excellent transparency and its sheer coverage. So this is 1.7 fluid ounces. Contains so much more product than the one I previously reviewed, and I got the clear kind. The nude one was my favorite out this set. The other more pigmented colors didn't work really well, and this is what it looks like. There's a lot of good reviews on this, and honestly I'm gonna do this hand for you guys, but I really like it. I've done this hand using this particular polygel. I did these a lot shorter than I wanted to, but this one I'm probably going to make a lot longer. But I really enjoyed the formula and everything. Like, this stuff sticks. Like, this is going to be on your hand. So I just want to show you guys it in action. So again, I'm going to be using some dual forms. I'm just cleaning off my fingers again because I just put the base coat on here. And I used the gelish foundation, which is just what I already had, and I really like this one. And I'm also going to use the gelish top coat, and I used the gelish pH bond prior to starting the video. So now I really need to find my form sizes. So we got a 2. Okay, so we got our nails picked out. So next thing, I have my brush using these Expert Touch lint-free nail wipes, and I got these on Amazon a long time ago, and they've lasted a pretty long time. Alcohol on standby, polygel, wipes, nail cutter because I need that like right away as well. And then I have my files that I'm going to use. Also, I forgot to tell you guys, because I had the issue with the underside last time that I did these, I went ahead and ordered some nail forms as well. So these are just from Amazon. That's where I bought them. I actually got the 2-day shipping combined with the Makartt Polygel. So this one I took off because I was doing too much moving, setting it up, so I had to take it off. So I just been using the forms to get like a better underside of my nails, and that has been working. It's not as terrible as it was before, but it's still a work in progress. So I'll show you how I'm doing this now with the forms underneath. Let's go ahead and get this in here. Now I'm just smoothing it out. Definitely want to limit the amount of alcohol because it can get really soupy. So sometimes I have to just wipe my brush off because I may have like too much alcohol in there. So I'll go back in with like a drier brush, and that works a little bit better for distributing product around. That's really not that good, so I'm gonna apply a little bit more in there just so I know I have enough. Let's just try it out. Just gonna push it down. Make sure we get this side and get that side. Maybe I should have picked a bigger form. Just make sure all of this in here gets good. That's probably as good as I can get for this one, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cure it. I just want to let you guys know, with the form, you also have to make sure that you do the underside as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and cure the underside. So this is it. Gonna pop it off. Boom. Okay. So that turned out pretty good. I may need to go over, maybe not that one. I think I'm good. What the underneath looks like, I haven't cut it yet, but it's a lot better than before. It's not like, you know, this isn't going to be an issue. So gonna Ooh, okay. Boom. So just pop that part off, and then we just file the sides. Yeah, I also really like the clearness of it, but if you do look closer, there was a little pocket of air right there. And also there's a little lip on the edge, but that's okay as well. Okay guys, here's that nail. This is clear and I buffed up the plate a little bit, but I mean, that looks really good to me. I mean, no issues on this side, you know, it's taken care of wall to wall. I had a little speculations. I buffed away like that edge at the bottom, but it looks good, so I'm pleased with it. This one is a little funky because I tried to sculpt it myself, but I think this one turned out really good. So now on with the rest. I'm gonna attempt to make this whole process easier by going ahead and filling in all these forms with the polygel, and then I'm gonna put my sculpting forms underneath. Then I'm gonna bake all of them at the same time and do it that way. So now I'm just gonna prepare all of these nails, and I'm missing one. Okay, so they just cured the first round. Now we have to cure underneath the indentations. Well, this one seems dry. Yeah, I'm actually seems dry, but I'm gonna cure them anyway just to be safe. But you can kind of see, I don't know, I'm still, these are work in progress, but it's a lot better than having, you know, before, how like deep, like how much product would get under my nails. Now it doesn't necessarily get all under my nail. Okay, so definitely got a lot of work to do here. We can see like there's like really thick in this area, then there's a lip there, there's a lip on that one, a little bit on this one, but that's okay. So now I need to get to cutting. I finished these nails and I like the shape. I'm still not perfect with the cuticles, but I mean, I like it. Oh, and I just popped all those gems off. They're kind of annoying. So I don't know what I'm going to do on this hand. I may put like something else over there. But the color that I'm using is from Rosalind. It's a brand that I just previously reviewed in my last nail video. And it's kind of like a lavender grayish mauve color. So in the nude category, this finger actually has different colors. This one is more gold. The other color is yellow silver. So this one is like a more, basically like I said, it's a yellow silver. And this one is definitely starry gold. So to switch it up, I'm gonna do this one as the design nail. Okay guys, these are my finished nails. Again, the extra will fall off. Y'all already know, but this is the color. Again, the color was by Rosalind and it was the color 35. And you can get this on AliExpress. Next to the Vanillisa Color Coat gel polishes, yellow silver, and on top I have Starry Golden. So that's the color, but I would like to say I am really impressed with this Makartt Polygel. I will let you guys know how it holds up. Supposed to let you guys know how the Rosalind gel polish held up. But honestly, I thought it was cheap. Like, it's like $3 a tube. And I was constantly